So it begins. Carney, a new virtual currency, could ease reliance on the US dollar. Guys, I'm here to tell you that Mark Carney is a member of Group 30. In Group 30, there's two chairmen of the Federal Reserve, two presidents of the European Central Bank, started by the Rockefellers. Also, IMF, World Bank is all members of Group 30. If Mark Carney is hinting to a virtual currency, now we know that Mark Carney is the governor of the Bank of England, and they are a Ripple partner. Guys, this is amazing right here. It kind of starts like this. I hate that I love Bearableguy123. As stupid as this cartoon character is, he just keeps staying on point with so many coincidences. Now, this is really interesting, guys. We're going to cover this right here. I tweeted this last night. Fill my eyes with this double vision. Now, guys, here is the scenario. This picture right here is this calendar. I don't think this can be disputed at all. Here's the mountains, here's the field, here's the level playing field. Mark Carney, Bearableguy highlighted this right here, level playing field, BIS, so it begins. I tell him about XRP. I want to give a shout out to XRP Ventrue. I noticed he posted this morning. Seriously, what are the chances? Look at these two pictures. And this is a much better view right here. I mean, come on, what are the chances? Guys, I'm not a financial advisor. I'm documenting my journey in cryptocurrencies. I'm going to throw this out there, guys. Bearableguy is always hinting to like BIS, Bank of International Settlements, Mark Carney, and he's like always on the money with Christine Lagarde and Mark Carney. And I mean, it's just too much of a coincidence for me. There goes Andy right there. Shout out to Andy. Spanish Fly. When it comes to BG123, the chances of coincidences are becoming slim to none. Very interesting indeed. Cam USA, me too. I should have said it. Sophia may know where the original of the calendar is as well. Lex, they are all at some big financial summit in Jackson Hole, Wyoming. That's the backdrop and those mountains. So, and also notice, guys, XRP Ventrue also tweeted this right here. Is this thing working right? Hello? Okay. Could somebody be trying to tell us something? Now, this is really interesting, guys. A few days ago, you guys remember JoelKatz came out with this right here. I mean, come on, guys. This is a dead ringer for this castle right here. I mean, come on. One window, the door. They even got like the pillar flags up here, the pillar flags. Same exact door. I mean, come on, guys. This is definitely the Bearableguy castle right here. And now this is the calendar right here with the same backdrop right here. Could somebody be trying to tell us something? XRP Ventrue. And of course, Jetro says, I don't believe in coincidences, but most importantly, hopefully these images translate in my account. That's kind of funny. You know, one thing I wanted to do, guys, is highlight pretty much right here. I said, fill my eyes with that double vision. And Darby's on here. Awesome. BC Matrix time travel is real. Matt, pull, push, pipe, sustainable capital flows for the new world order. Wow. Man with the name. Claudia A. So, guys, clearly, the thing is, you know, what Bearableguy's work, you know, after almost 2 years of, you know, seeing these pictures and breaking them down, I mean, he's the only one whose, you know, information has stood the test of time. Now, it all started like this, guys. Mark Carney, dollar is too dominant, could be replaced by digital currency. Here's the thing, guys. If Mark Carney is even hinting to being a digital currency, we know Ripple's working with them. I highly recommend you guys checking out Bank XRP. He kind of broke it down really good. Bank of New York, Bank of England's Carney floats the idea of new virtual currency. If he's floating the idea, he's pretty much dropping the gems that that basically this is going to happen. You know, first they kind of hint to it first. There's the background right there. Bank of England, a new virtual currency could replace the US dollar. Really interesting. Here's the background right here. If you guys recall this right here.
The Bank of England is a paid customer. The Bank of England is a paid customer of Ripple.
The Bank of England is a paid Ripple customer. Also, guys, Bearableguy dropped this a few days ago about regulation. There's the price on the lid. I believe that regulation is getting close. This bottle of molasses is going to tip over. It's going to knock the lid off the price, and the price will shoot to the moon. One drop will moon soon. You know what's even more amazing about this, guys, is Bearableguy originally dropped his calendar on me in December. This is the picture he came out with in December, highlighting May. Now, like I say, guys, I was concerned with this right here because May was 5 months away. How can somebody call this month as being, a significant month? And if you guys recall, May was on fire. Coinbase released XRP in New York. Coinbase went live with international XRP transfers. The deal was sealed with Earthport on 5/8/19. And Bearableguy just came out. May has been too much fun. Will Bearableguy fill all the bricks? Just a coincidence. Is that insane or what? Now, I believe that we're also highlighting September, October, November, December as far as level playing ground. And I believe that Bearableguy highlighted this right here also, guys, with the momentum is picking up as far as September, October, November, December level playing ground. This is insane. Also, guys, one thing I wanted to highlight is Bearableguy highlighted this right here. So it begins Bank of International Settlements, which actually, track back to Mark Carney. He's the board of director of Bank of International Settlements. Mark Carney, guys, is a banker, British citizen, been the governor of the Bank of England. He began his career at Goldman Sachs. He is one of the contenders to succeed the current managing director of the International Monetary Fund, Christine Lagarde, who is nominated to serve the next president of the European Central Bank. Now, what's really interesting about this, guys, is on November 4th, 2011, Carney was named chairman of the BSIL, Financial Stability Board. Carney served as the Bank of International Settlements on the committee. Carney is a member of Group 30. Now, this is what's really interesting, guys. If you click on Group 30 right here, Group 30 is an international body of leading financiers and academics which aims to deepen understanding of the economy and financial issues. So, now if you go down here, guys, the Group 30 was founded in 1978 by the Rockefeller Foundation. Whoa. So we got the Rockefellers in there. Now the members of this Group 30, guys, you may be surprised about this, is as well as 2 chairmen of the Federal Reserve, 2 presidents of the European Central Bank, Basel Committee on Banking Supervision, 2 chairmen from the Bank of International Settlements, 2 chief economists from the International Monetary Fund, a chief economist at the World Bank, former president of Mexico. This is the group that Carney is involved with. Now, you've seen the clip with Bank of England is a paid Ripple customer. I wonder what's their technology of choice. I would say Ripple, XRP. And I believe XRP truly does have an advantage over the competitors as far as the relationships, as far as the executive order being called out, as far as Brad Garlinghouse and Christine Lagarde and cryptocurrencies are clearly shaking the system. And, I'm not going political here, guys, but I do believe with Trump actually stopping China from buying MoneyGram, I believe they are planning on implementing a digital currency, XRP, for level playing field. For many years, China and many other countries have been taking advantage of the United States on trade, property theft, and much more. Our country has been losing hundreds of billions of dollars a year to China with no end in sight. It sounds like we need a digital currency. Also, guys, Mark Carney vows to reinvent the Bank of England for the 4th Industrial Revolution. Guys, pretty much welcome to the dawn of the Internet of Value. Now, here's why cryptocurrency is a huge opportunity, I believe. Because basically, guys, since the birth of the Internet, plain and simple, we've been able to move information in less than a second. But we have not mastered moving money. Now with cryptographic technologies, David Schwartz, XRP, cryptocurrencies, interoperability, we have the Internet of Value and the tokenization of real-world assets. And this is the birth of the 4th Industrial Revolution. That's for sure. I also want to give a quick shout out to Bearableguy123. He actually does really good work. He's really good with the numbers. If you guys want to check this out, he says, "Hold my beer." That's kind of funny. "Hold my beer while I decode this." So basically XRP spikes to 9.3657, and he does some stuff with the numbers. Today is the 23rd, and the first month is the 23rd of Bach. So I will link this in the description, guys, if you want to check it out. That's for sure. Shout out to Bearableguy123. He pretty much has, maybe a solution to what happened the other day when the price spiked to 9.3, when I believe there was a glitch on the Japanese exchange. Alrighty, guys. The Dr. FOMO logo will come down. Smash that logo to subscribe to the channel. Hit that notification bell. You'll be notified when I release a video throughout the day. I really appreciate your time. Thank you guys. What do you think about this? Let me know in the comments. I actually respond to all comments. Do you guys think there is is this a coincidence here? Or did Bearableguy tell Mark Carney, hey, Mark Carney, I need you to take this, shoot this right here in this field right here. I'm telling you, I don't think this is a coincidence, me personally. I believe Bearableguy knows Mark Carney, or he knows somebody here. Somebody knows something. What do you guys think? Let me know in the comments. Much love. Mahalo.